Hey, good to see you again. I wanted to add to the last markup thing we did. So if you haven't watched that first video, it's going to have a link right here. That'll take you to where you can watch the first video for markup. We've got some new features that have been added by Apple, so I wanted to take you through a few of those things real quick. This is all going to be based out of the Pages app. It's a really cool thing. It's a great way to annotate. It's going to be a great way for you to use your iPad with your Apple TV. So let's look at it. We're going to open Pages. We're going to go over here to Create Document, and we're just going to create a blank document. It will load, and now I can hit the plus sign up in the top corner. From there, I can go to Camera, and I have my camera. I'm going to take a picture of the document that I want to mark up. So now I have that picture. I want to click Use Photo, and now it's imported into my Pages document. I can take my edges, make it bigger, kind of drag that out to where it's full screen. Now I have the ability to hit the three dots in the top corner, and you'll see Smart Annotation Beta. Under Smart Annotation Beta, we'll touch that, and you can see my markers, everything comes up across the bottom. I have the marker, I have a chiseled marker like a big Sharpie, a pencil, and an eraser. I'm going to choose the marker. It's a little bit thicker. I can choose my colors. Let's use blue on this. And now I can actually draw, write, annotate, do all those things. What's really neat about this is when I zoom in, you can see the annotation sticks with what I'm doing. So it's a really great feature to where if I want to underline, circle, highlight, do all of those things, it sticks. So again, I can zoom over here and my highlighting is staying with when I zoom in. So again, a really great way to go have this mirrored to your Apple TV. It's a wonderful feature. You can also take a screenshot of this if you needed to, and you could add that into Google Classroom. The other thing you could do is use the screen recording, so you could actually pre-plan a lesson, and within that pre-plan, you go through, take your notes, record your screen, and then take that video that it saves to your camera roll. You can, again, turn that into a video that you can put on Google Classroom. So there's your tip of the day. Again, make sure you watch the first video before you watch this one. See you next time. If you found this video helpful, make sure and hit that like button.
To make sure you get more videos like this, be sure to click right here to subscribe and to click the bell to make sure you get notifications.
If you'd like to submit a topic or concept for future videos, there's a link in the description down below.
And if you're looking for more digital learning tips and tricks, make sure to follow us on Twitter.